Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about some nutritional value also of the everyday food items or ingredients that we use. We usually Pakistanis use in our everyday cooking. So let's get started with onions. So whether you're using green spring onions, pink or red onions, onions are packed with nutrient, good for heart health. They are loaded with antioxidants. They contain cancer-fighting compounds and help control sugar level. They boost some density and have antibacterial properties as well. Next we go to the chickpea flour. So this is rich in vitamins and minerals, packed with fiber and higher in vegetable proteins. Then we go to the corn flour, and corn flour provides fiber, vitamin B, iron, potassium, magnesium. So these are the minerals in it, and obviously we use both corn flour and chickpea flour in batters. Then we come to red chilies, and red chilies are good to lose weight because they speed up the metabolism, the cardiovascular benefits. They have pain relief, natural pain relief, and they boost immunity. Oh my God, they boost immunity. I should eat them more. But it is also a fact that some people can't tolerate chilies, spicy foods. Yeah, and I'm one of them. Okay, next, coriander seeds. So these are the coriander seeds, and coriander seeds reduce bad cholesterol and promote good cholesterol, and rich in copper, zinc, and iron, and they increase metabolism. Okay, then we have black pepper, and black pepper is good for its anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, so now that I have inflammation in all of my joints, I should take more of black pepper. It has it is a high antioxidant, and it's good for cancer-fighting people. It improves blood sugar level, and it's a good regulator. Yeah, again, spices increase the metabolism. Okay, and then we come to cumin seeds. So cumin seeds are they promote digestion. They are a rich source of iron. They may help with diabetes and improve blood cholesterol level. May also result in weight loss and fat reduction. Oh, cumin seeds. I should take that. I'm overweight. And everyone is familiar with the turmeric benefits. It's good for your joints, bone mass and joints. And salt, whether it's sea salt or it is Himalayan salt, or whether it's simply iodized table salt, whichever salt you use, has its own flavor bringing out properties. So let's get started with today's dish. Okay, now we are going to make chicken pakoras, and the chicken cubes have been marinated earlier with a little bit of ginger garlic paste and seasonings according to taste, and a little bit of oil, and just covered with chicken. So just sprinkle a little bit of minced onion and spring onions and red chili. And then we have covered it with corn flour. So again, seasonings as per your taste. Chickpea flour, corn flour, seasonings, turmeric. So you also add cumin seeds and then you mix well. Okay, after mixing, it's time to fry. And just take a tablespoonful of it and fry in a medium hot oil. There we go. And just golden brown them and drain them on a kitchen paper towel and serve them hot either with meal or a snack. So this is the final result. As soon as the chicken pakoras are golden brown, you drain them in the kitchen paper towels and then serve them hot with tea or as a snack or as an accompaniment with the meal.